Ethereum is quietly approaching a moment that could change everything. While most eyes are glued to Bitcoin, the real setup might be forming right under Ethereum. Because in just a few weeks, a powerful upgrade called Pectra is going live, and history shows what happens next could be explosive. 7 out of 8 times, Ethereum surged after upgrades, sometimes by 5x. And right now, technicals are aligning with fundamentals in a way we haven't seen since 2020. But what does it mean for price? And how can you profit before the crowd catches on? Stick around. This isn't just another Ethereum pump video. This is your early edge, backed by data, charts, and serious alpha. Let's break it all down. Every time Ethereum upgrades, something strange tends to happen. It rallies. Out of the last 8 major upgrades, Ethereum went up 7 times in the 30 days after. That's not hopium, that's historical data. And when you average the performance, Ethereum gained 31% in just 2 months surrounding the upgrade window. Even during the merge, the only outlier, price dropped just 31% amidst one of the worst macro conditions in crypto. So, why is this important now? Because on May 7th, Ethereum is set to deploy Pectra, an upgrade with deeper implications than most people realize. We'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's zoom out and see what the price action is whispering. Take a look at this weekly chart. Ethereum is currently sitting between $1,500 and $1,700, following a prolonged downtrend inside a falling wedge pattern. You'll notice the key Fibonacci retracement levels stacked above: $3,070, $4,100, $5,780, and extensions pushing all the way to $12,000. This isn't just random math. It's a map of human psychology where price historically reacts. Now, add the Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator at the bottom, and we see Ethereum just touched oversold levels, the same zone that marked every major bottom since 2021. And the VRVP shows thick historical demand in the $1,500 region. This isn't weakness, it's potential energy waiting for a spark. And that spark could be Pectra. So, what exactly is Pectra? Let's start with the basics. It bundles several key EIPs, Ethereum Improvement Proposals, including EIP 7251, 6110, and 7702. Together, they completely transform how staking and transactions work. Here's what's changing. Validate a max stake from 32 to 2,048 Ethereum. Less fragmentation, more compounding. Faster deposits with EIP 6110. No more delays or pending queues. Auto-compounding rewards. Higher APY, even without changing base rates. Type 4 transactions via EIP 7702. Smart account behavior for regular users. One-click approvals plus swaps. And that's not all. You'll now be able to pay gas fees in stablecoins. Apps will even be able to sponsor your gas fees. And staking? It just became smoother, more flexible, and more rewarding. This isn't just technical fluff, it's a massive shift in Ethereum's user experience. Here's something most people missed. Solana just flipped Ethereum in staking market cap. Solana, $56.7 billion, 65% staked. Ethereum, $56.2 billion, 29% staked. But that might be about to change dramatically. With Pectra, analysts project that Ethereum staking could hit 40%. That would inject $95 billion in locked capital, flipping Solana back and fueling a new supply squeeze. Why does that matter? Because less Ethereum on the market equals higher prices, simple supply and demand mechanics. And if Ethereum begins offering superior staking rewards with easier onboarding, that capital rotates fast. Whales, institutions, and DAOs are watching. Are you? If you're excited about Pectra, Ethereum staking, or earning more from your crypto, then it's time you truly understood DeFi beyond the hype. I wrote a simple beginner-friendly ebook called DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It walks you through how to stake safely, how yield farming really works, how to earn passive income through airdrops, and how to avoid common traps that wreck beginners. It's only $4.99, and it's designed to give you a clear path from newbie to confident DeFi user, no fluff, no noise. Click the link in the first pinned comment if you're serious about making your crypto work for you. Because when Ethereum upgrades, the smart money doesn't just watch, they act. So let's zoom out. If Ethereum does what it's done 7 times before, we could see a 31% move from here, placing Ethereum near $2,050 short-term. But if the falling wedge breaks to the upside, we're looking at a midterm surge to $3,000 to $4,100, with longer-term targets above $8,500 and even $11,000 plus based on Fibonacci extensions. Add the hype around smart accounts, stablecoin gas, and massive staking flows, and Ethereum could be setting up for one of its most bullish eras yet. This isn't a guarantee, but when the chart, the tech, and the timing all align, you don't fade it, you prepare. Ethereum isn't just upgrading its code, it's upgrading its future. The real question is, are you ready for it? Let me know in the comments. Do you think Pectra will spark another bull run? Or is the market too distracted by Bitcoin? Smash the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe if you want more daily, real, chart-backed insights, not recycled headlines. And if you're still here, make sure to check out my last video. It's linked on the screen right now. We talked about how real-world assets, RWAs, are disrupting DeFi, and it's a perfect complement to today's narrative. Stay sharp, stay decentralized. See you tomorrow.